Right, today I'm going to show you how I use a charge controller, this solar charge controller, to charge 12 volts lithium ion batteries. This is not an ordinary charge controller. Usually the older charge controller, the 12 volt controller, they are designed to charge this kind of lead acid battery. But this newer charge controller can charge lithium ion battery, 12 volts, meaning 3 of these in series. So one of these is 4.2 volts, and 3 of these in series can be 12.6 volts. And you can put them in a case like this. Like so, to produce 12.6 volt. And in this case, what I'm trying to do today is I'm going to use the charge controller to charge Cordless 2 battery, like this one. It's a Hitachi 12 volt rotary tool, lithium ion. And you can use this to charge anything, any lithium ion battery that's 12 volt, meaning all these 12 volt Cordless 2 rigid 12 volt battery, Makita 12 volts, and this one is a Milwaukee. Use this to charge any of these. Some of you might ask, why bother to use this? Well, you can just plug in a wall outlet to charge these, right? Well, if you're out there in the woods and you have your tool and then you don't have anything to charge it with, not only this can give you power to whatever tool that you have, you can also build a fire with this. So between these two terminals, I'll show you. Between these two terminals, there's a positive and a negative sign. Right? All of these batteries have the positive and negative terminals. Between the two terminals, it is 12 volts. 11.13. Right? And right now this battery is low. It needs to be charged. But at full charge is 12 volt. And 12 volt can produce significant amount of spark, and you can use it to start a fire easily. Even one of these is good enough to make fire, and even AA battery can make fire too. But anyway, so in this video I'm going to show you how to charge it using this newer charge controller. So the way you do is just connect it to a metal clip. These batteries, they have positive and negative terminal, and just use a metal clip, push it in, and push it in like so. That's it. And then I'm gonna connect it to my controller. Right, so now it's all connected, and let's see what we got. Shown you before, the battery voltage was 11 volts. Let's see what we got. 11.1 volt. Now it's 11.23. And it's going up, 11.24 now. Okay, so it's charging. It's pretty good. And there are 2 LED lights on the controller. Try not to touch the terminals here, sorting out stuff. But there are 2 LED lights on the controller. The green light is on when you connect it to your battery, and the red light is on when you hook it up to your solar panel. So the red light is on means it's charging. Right. .25 now, 26 now, so it's climbing up slowly. .26 now, so I'm gonna 11.28, 27. So I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit, and I'll be right back. You know what? It's in the winter now, and the sun's quickly moving away from me, so I have to use a bigger panel to charge it because my other panel is a little bit too small. And I hope that's not what she said. Anyway, move to a bigger panel, and it seems to be charging really quickly. I'll show you the voltage right now. 11.6 something volts. So that's pretty fast. Let's try it. 11.5 now. It depends on the sun's is now behind the cloud a little bit, but it's charging more quickly than it was. So that's a good sign. Alright, let's keep charging. Alright, so I've been charging it for 15-20 minutes now, and I'm losing the sun, and the sun's keep going away from me. So I think I'm gonna stop here, and let's see what's the voltage of the battery right now. 11.55 volts. Okay, so we started at 11.1 volt, and that's pretty much empty. That's about 10 to 15% left, and now it's 11.55 volts, so it's about 40%. It's been about 15-20 minutes now, and I think that's pretty good. And hopefully next time I get more sunlight, it's gonna charge faster. And yeah, I'm gonna stop right now. Okay. Alright. Battery is still cool, probably because the weather out here is pretty cool, so it doesn't get hot. See what we got. That's it, folks, and guess that's all I have for now. And this is the amazing new technology. And in the next video, I'm going to use this to build a survival pack. And this is going to charge a whole bunch of this and run an inverter. That's going to be cool. It'll be a great survival kit for camping, or just for survival. Alright, that's all I have, and thank you for watching.